hello. How is everybody doing? It is a fine, I don't know which day you now watch this, but it's a fine day, right? Okay, so it's been a minute and well, it hasn't been like that long. But anyways, today I am here to do a little bit of a haul. Okay, I've never done one of these, so I thought it would be interesting to try and see what it's like. So I hope you guys enjoy. Share this video with somebody you don't know who, looking for ideas to buy things for their friends that are pregnant or persons that are pregnant and looking for something a little bit more comfortable to wear or whatever. So share the video please. Thank you. Leave your comments down below which piece you think is the nicest, yeah, the one where you wanna wear and so, and which pieces you least like. All right, so the first piece that I'm going to be showing is this top that I'm actually wearing. It has a mama bear, hello. All right, so it's this top here and it has the ruching at the side so that I can grow into it, but I not have much time. This isn't gonna fit me for much longer, so I'm wearing it as much as I can for now, so that it can get some good wear, you know. All right, so the next piece, and I'm going to show you guys what I look like in it, like in an outfit. You understand? I wear it with some pregnancy leggings, as you're going to see in the little clip, and it comes up over my belly, very comfortable, very soft, and it has like an elastic in the side. Hold on. All right, so I got it. So this is the leggings and it has this extension piece in the waist, and you just pull it to as much as you are comfortable, and then it has a button right here for you to just, you know, latch it, put it through the hole and latch it so you're comfortable and it not drop off of you, because the belly band part it can be very big, you know. Right now it's adjusted to my size, but it gets big, like it gets big. So that is one of my things that I wear very often because it is very comfortable. All right, I got two of these as well. I have one in black and one in gray. I thought I'd get darker colors, neutral colors, so that we can just draw them on and go. All right, so that's outfit number one. Yeah. All right, so the next thing I got, most of these things I got them on Amazon, and then probably the majority of these things were gifted to me by like family members and friends and stuff. So this is a dress, lovely dress. Everything that I have, I got them in my original size, but they are custom for the ballet. And so that you can grow into it, so then just put like extra material by your actual size so that you can grow into it. This dress now, yeah, it has the ruching at the side like this t-shirt so that you can grow into it, and you're gonna see how it fits in the cutaway. It's very soft. It feel like it's a comfortable bottom. I can't wait to wear it. Haven't worn it yet, but I have worn this and the leggings. All right. Woo, child. Next thing is this dress, and the lovely thing about this dress, I'm gonna show you what I love the most about that dress here. Okay, so it's a long-ish dress, as you guys can see. However, it has this peekaboo part that you can do breastfeeding. Oh my god, I'll show you when I try it on. You'll see it when I try it on, but that is so cool to me. But yeah, that's why I love this dress and I cannot wait to wear it. Very soft as well. Most of the things them is very soft. Yeah, very soft. Yes, maternity and Paul, what them name? Soon tell what them name. I got some maternity and I cannot remember what the actual name for these is. Is a brassiere. Is a brassiere. Yeah. So it's usually I wear colored bras, but they never have much option. So I had to get the light stuff. Yeah, so this is huge. And as I would have said in my first trimester video, like these grew ASAP. They grew a whole size ASAP. Like as soon as conception happened, they were like zoop. So yeah, these are huge compared to what my normal bra size would be. Anyways, these are nursing. So the word there, I will say it. Which one I want to say it? Nursing and maternity bra. So this one, when you put it on, it clips. It has a little clip here, if I can get it open. Clip, and then it drop like this. So you don't have to take off your whole body and squeeze up yourself. You just drop the little clip. I'm gonna show you. Let me do a little demonstration over the clothes, you know, can't expose the body. All right, so you put it on, right? Put it on, that's nice, but you have to breastfeed and you don't want to be tearing out your body, so you just unclip, bam, and pull it down, and then you still have this one up, and you comfortably have baby here or over here or whatever you want to do, and then you put it back up. Sis, convenient or no? All right, so yeah, it's very convenient, and it has pads in there, so you don't have to worry about leaking, I've heard. So I got the ones with the pads inside. I've got 3 of these. I think I have this pinkish, peachish, creamish one, a whitish, creamish one, and a darker one. I think it's gray or something. I don't know. When my bucket up, I'll show you. So I'm a little bit out of breath. I'm gonna catch it. All right. Oh, child. But anyhow, I've got some jeans. I've got some jeans, girl, because the jeans I had, Jerome used to quarrel with me wicked. But I loved my jeans so much. This particular pair of jeans, I loved it so much. However, because I'm growing, it could have really closed. And to be fair, it could have really closed from before. It could have really closed from before, and then now we start grow, so you know it worse now I can close. So what I used to do is put, you know, the hair bands, I put one pan aside here and one pan aside here and keep it, so it's not going to button, you know. The elastic band going to keep it together. He used to hate that thing so much, but I did love my pair of jeans, man. But anyways, these ones are maternity ones. They've got the elastic in the back, stretcher. You not really stretch it that much, you know, but it can do a little thing. But it has these. This is what makes it perfect, because right here, so going to make you grow with it, and it's on both sides. So yeah, so you can grow in these. I think I've got 2 pairs of this in different washes. See there. All right, guys, this is what size is this? Oh god, normally I'm like a size 1 or 2 in American size, which is a 8 or 10 in the UK size. When I find out, tell me what size is. It says, alright, I'm gonna figure out the size for a moment. I show them. I don't know. This says 2/26R. So I guess it's a size 2 and 26-inch regular. I don't know. Look what it said and tell me what it means. Where's the thingy? Yeah, whatever that means. But yeah, that's the size. Oh my god, I did just show me from here. Yeah, that's the size. It fits like just about fits right now. I don't know how much wear I'm going to get out of it, but as I said, this part grows with you, so I should get a good amount of wear out of it. Next piece is this beautiful dress. Yes, beautiful dress. Hey, you know I'm a sucker for a navy blue something. Navy blue and black and white. I don't know, then do me something. Alright, so there's this dress. Yes, it's more like a t-shirt on me right now because of the ballet. Yes, so on a regular day this would be a dress on me, but today is not a regular day, so it's a top. It's definitely not a dress anymore. I mean, I could wear it with like leggings, but then that would make it a top, right? And not a dress anymore. So I've got this. Alright, so we're getting down in there now. There's this other basic shirt. It's in an extra small, so it literally fits for the next maybe 2 weeks. But it doesn't have, yeah, it does. It has the ruching on the side. Watch out, it's on the wrong side. Hold on. It's because I was trying them on, so everything is all over the place. So it's almost like an army print, but in burgundy and pink, or I don't know. Our purple is. Our color is. Yeah, the color here. Yes, but it's nice. The top, as you can see, it's kind of cutting it close here, but the body gives me room to grow because of the ruching. And this is an extra small, so you know, so this not gonna fit me no whole heap of time. This have to wear like no. The next thing is another pair of jeans. Girl, I'm tired. Yeah, but these are shorts, girl. So when I bought this out of the bag, you know, remember I said I'm usually like a size. Did I just see somebody walk into my yard? I don't know. I think I caught something on my peripheral, but I'm not sure. Okay. Remember I said that I'm usually a size 1 or 2. This, my dear, is a size 4. So may I say, this not gonna fit me. And then when I held it up, I'm like, this big door. Like, look there, you can't even see me behind it. Look there. But it's a pair of shorts. Yes. And it has the ballet piece here for comfort and stretch, and so you can grow in it. The back is more like X this. I don't know why V. It's lower, but the front is a whole heap of front to cover the ballet. But as you can see in the cutaway, girl, it felt like a dream.
I already know. Oh yeah, I see.
Oh god, I'm so tired. Let me get a pillow for my back. Oh god. Ooh. Child, the struggle is definitely real. Oh, okay. This struggle is definitely real. This is another dress. I really like this one because it's so soft and it's just loose and nice, and it's just like one of them something there you just throw it on and go and you just have a great day because comfort. Okay, comfort. And it's like close on the neck. I'm not really a fancy that something there right now or ever. I like not touch my neck. I don't like it. But this is very comfortable for like I don't know, you run a few errands or something, going to the supermarket or whatever. You can wear it and be comfy and come back and feel okay. Alright guys, so we're getting down into the bag. Oh, I'm tired, man. This is another dress. It's a medium. It's a very pretty little dress. I mean, I really polka dotty and frilly, you know, but this is a nice dress. Like when you have it on, it just feel like, oh, airy fairy, you know. But yeah, this is a really nice dress and I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it because it's very comfortable. The last thing I want to show you guys right now is my friend here. Oof, child, this exercise ball has been coming in so handy over the last couple of months because for the pelvic area with all of the little pelvic pain them and we can't take it, the round ligament pains and all of that. I have to sit on the ball and just rock. Most people you'll see them use it for just like maternity, like when them go in a labor and them something there and them rock and help the baby to come down and help progression and all of that. Well, I'm using it just for comfort because my back be killing me and all of that, so I use it to like soothe my pelvis and just rock, just ride the wave on it because all right. Yes, I have a few other little things, but as I say, I'm very tired now because I feel like a worn out. It's like the little video really take a lot out of me. Oh god. Anyways, I'm gonna pack up these things and yeah, go lay down because my back hurt, you know. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Remember to comment down below which outfit was your favorite. Also just comment down below and say hello. I say hello to man now, not to answer me. Alright guys, see the device all I go and all I get something here. So I'll see you guys in the next video in 2 weeks. As we said, we post every other Sunday. So yeah, it's been real. Peace out. Bye guys.